Julie.AuliesUchock.
What year? What year are you in school?
What grade?
10th. Okay.
How long did you work on that?
Oh, like a week and a week and a half.
You happy about how it worked?
Yeah.
Seemed too easy.
There you go, boss. I'll get it out for you. Alright, so you can definitely have some fun with this stuff.
Make it look easy.
Can we get your name?
Nick Jankowski.
Can you spell it?
Nickyankoski.
What grade are you in?
9th.
9th? How long did it take you to make that?
Probably about 3-4 days.
How did you
Probably about 5 hours.
live up to your expectations?
Yeah, I did.
Another person has to get in.
K-E-M-M-E-R-E-R.
10th grade?
Yep.
Excuse me, John.
John?
John Jones.
J-O-H-N?
Yep.
J-O-N-E-S.
Yep.
Thanks.
How long did it take you to make it?
About a week.
3 days maybe?
3
Wednesday,
days,
Thursday, Friday?
4 3
And
days.
did it work the way you expected? Because
No.
it looked a little shaky.
Yeah.
A little bit.
we had different plans. We were gonna make a cube, but then it ended up being a rectangle.
Why?
We wanted to make a cube because when we made the model, it worked better. The cube, like there was more of a height, so there's less water to get in.
Yeah, I think that's why I started going down like the wall in the
Yeah,
back.
but then we had to change it from 6x6 to 6x4.
Because
I don't even know. someone in our group said change it, so we just changed it.
Okay.
And luckily it worked.
Can we get your name?
Elizabeth Pickett.
Can you spell it?
ALISABETHPICKETT.
What grade are you in?
10th grade.
How long did it take to make that?
Couple, 3 days maybe.
If you had to do it over again, would you make it a little lower, a little shorter walls?
Yeah, definitely.
Other than that, it did okay, you think?
Yeah, it was alright. I just don't know how to paddle that good, so.
Can we get your name?
Marissa Ross.
Spell.
M-A-R-I-S-S-A. R-O-S-S.
Thank you.
What grade are you?
10.
And how long did you work on that?
A week and a half.
You looked a little shaky. You think you did okay?
No, my balance kept me up.
What's your name?
Brandon.
Spell it.
B-R-A-D-D-U-N-N.
D-U-N-N?
Yes.
And your name?
Yuri, Y-U-R-I-Y.
Was it?
Y-U-R-I-Y. Boris.
I-Y.
Yeah. Boris, B-O-R-I-S.
What grades are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
10th.
And we just failed.
How long did it take you to make that?
Took us about four class periods.
And where do you think you went wrong?
Not enough duct tape.
Not enough duct tape, definitely. Definitely not enough duct tape.
I guess so.
Can I get your name?
Nico Chivarella.
Nico, can you spell
Nico, N-I-K-O.
it? And the last name?
Chivarella.
Spell it.
C-H-I-V-E-R-E-L-L-A.
What grade are you in?
10th.
How long did you work on that?
About a week.
That looks pretty sophisticated.
Yeah. The duck on the front,
Yeah, and what was the bottle supposed to be? Like a little steam vent or
the bottom.
the bottle?
A cup holder. For my drink. I was gonna bring a
Your
pina
cup holder.
colada.
That was just actually.
Yeah. And some sunglasses.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Can I get your name?
Nick Bishop.
Can you spell it?
N-I-C-O-L-A-S-B-I-S-H-O-P.
What grade are you in?
10th.
That was particularly well done. Did you build that yourself? How long did it take?
Yeah. It took 2 days to construct it. I figured with my wrestling background I'd be able to even out my balancing weight.
Ah,
And then I do a lot of kayaking, so I knew how to row pretty fast.
the first person to show you know how to row.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you.
almost there, kid. Just watch your right side.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna jump in anyway.
You got it, though.
I'm jumping in. I'm trying to get wet.
Let me get closer. I'm not sure how many of you are baseball fans, but I've got 2 tickets to the Cooperstown Hall of Fame Classic. It's a Saturday before Father's Day. And we figured it would be a good thing to give those 2 tickets away for the fastest time to end.
Oh, I could do it.
So if you want to...